Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Claude API authentication errors. If you're seeing an authentication error when using the Claude API, it usually means Anthropic can't verify your API credentials. This can happen if your API key is invalid, expired, incorrectly copied, overridden by an old environment variable, or if your application is sending the wrong authentication information. Fortunately, most authentication problems can be solved by checking your API key, verifying which key your system is actually using, and testing the API independently before generating a new key. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the Anthropic console. Sign into your account and navigate to the API keys section. Locate the API key you're currently using. One of the first things you should check is its format. A valid Claude API key should begin with skic-ant. If your key does not start with these characters, you've likely copied the wrong value or are using an invalid key. Also make sure that the entire key was copied, there are no extra spaces before or after it, no characters are missing, you're using an active API key. Once you've confirmed that your API key looks correct, the next step is to determine whether your computer is actually using that key. Open your terminal. Run the command that checks the currently configured Anthropic API key on your system. This command displays the API key currently stored in your environment variables. Carefully compare the result with the key shown in your Anthropic console. If the terminal displays an older or different API key, your application may still be using outdated credentials instead of your new one. If you discover that an old API key is still configured, run the provided command that removes or clears the outdated environment variable. Removing the old key prevents your system from continuing to authenticate with invalid credentials. After clearing it, configure your current API key again if necessary. The next step is to determine whether the issue is with your application or the API itself. Still in your terminal, copy and paste the provided curl request that sends a simple test request directly to Anthropic servers. This bypasses your application completely and communicates with the Cloud API directly. If the request succeeds, your API key is working correctly and the authentication issue likely exists within your application's configuration. If the curl request also returns an authentication error, the problem is almost certainly related to the API key itself. If you've completed all of the previous steps and authentication still fails, return to the Anthropic console. Go back to API keys. Create a new API key. Then replace the old key in your application or environment with the newly generated one. After updating the key, test your application again. In many cases, generating a fresh API key resolves authentication problems caused by revoked, deleted, or incorrectly configured credentials. It is important to understand that only one incorrect character in an API key is enough to cause authentication to fail. Authentication errors are almost always related to the credentials being sent rather than the Claude models themselves. To summarize, fixing Claude API authentication errors begins by opening the Anthropic console and verifying that your API key is valid and starts with skic-ant. Next, use your terminal to check whether your system is still using an old API key through its environment variables. If an outdated key is found, remove it using the appropriate command and replace it with your current API key. To isolate the problem further, send a direct curl request to Anthropic's API to verify whether authentication succeeds outside of your application. If authentication still fails after these checks, generate a brand new API key from the Anthropic console and update your application with the new credentials. Following this troubleshooting process helps identify whether the issue is caused by an invalid API key, outdated environment variables, or application configuration problems. By verifying the key format, testing authentication independently, and replacing compromised or outdated credentials when necessary, you can quickly restore access to the Claude API and ensure your applications authenticate reliably in future projects. And that's how to fix Claude API authentication errors. By verifying your API key, checking which credentials your system is actually using, testing the connection directly with a curl request, and generating a new API key if necessary, you can resolve most authentication issues and get your Claude-powered applications working again. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.